Yes. So, guys, welcome back. So, today I'm looking at Euro USD and I'm selling. Before that, remember my other previous analysis that I did the last video, AUD USD. It got to where I wanted, and just go back and see. In fact, let me let me look at it. AUD USD, AUD card, AUD it was AUD card. Yeah, this guy. So let's look at it very quickly. And yeah, as you can see, I told you guys once the market gets to here, anything can happen, and I had predicted this from here. This is where we are buying this market all the way, and I told you guys from here it will be my TP, and anything can happen from here, which as you can see it did. We got, let me go on H4 so that you're able to see properly. You see, we talked about this resistance, we were here, we bought, blah blah blah. I explained everything. I told you guys when the market gets here, I'll be out. That will be my TP, and that's what exactly the market has done that. And I explained from here anything can happen. As you can see, everything is on the previous video that I did. You can go back and watch. So right now, let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD. This is the pair that I'm trading today. And I just want to explain something. I'm already in, and you can see I've put a little bit bigger lot size, but the account size will hold it anyway. So I just entered now. As you can see, this is my entry. You can see this, this is my entry. You can see here. So let me zoom so that you're able to see. This is my entry. So let's see how it plays out. But before that, let me just explain what made me sell. What has made me take this sell? Number one, okay, you can see the market was pushing up. Everybody can see it was a bull market. The market was going up. However, you can see here the market started slowing down. Okay, because from here you can see a series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, blah blah, like that. Then from here, something happened. The market started slowing down. And remember, we're on daily, guys. We're on daily. So now you see this big candle. So we have, first of all, we have this double top. Okay, we have this double top, and we have a break of structure. As you can see here, the blue line. The market actually came and broke down below the blue line, and the second day a green candle broke up the blue line, and now we are printing. It's like sellers have started coming in. So this is still not enough, because anything can happen from here, guys. You see, this is a long bull. It was, or it is a bull market, but from here, we can see a pattern, an M. I've been talking about an M for quite some time, and this is a double top also. So the market has broken structure here. Let me just put a line here so that you can see clearly. So you can see here, you see. So this market broke this structure. So if they wanted to continue up, they would have continued from here. However, there was demand below here, so anything still can happen. It's still too early. But for me, based on there are things that there are criteria that I look before I enter a trade. Number one, let me just explain quickly. I look at the trend. That's number one. Okay, it's an uptrend. Then I look at the pattern. I can see this uptrend is like it's dying. Why? Because I can see a series of, I can see, the momentum is dying. Not only that, we found a double top. Number three, which again is the most important thing that I look at, is COT data. I don't know whether you guys are familiar with that. I don't want to confuse you with so many things, but COT data is commitment of traders. This is where you see hedge funds, the big banks are trading. The hedge funds, the big banks, the smart money. So to get to know their footprints, so I checked yesterday and I saw, they are selling. Actually, they are buying the dollar. They are buying dollars in bulk. So in other terms, they are slowing down in terms of their position. They are closing the positions on euro, and they are stacking up slowly by slowly. They are stacking up the buys on the dollar. So anytime you see a market that is trending and then all of a sudden, it's not moving anywhere, it's consolidating, this is the time to look at the COT data to get to understand what is happening. What are the big banks doing? So that's why. And guys, when they close their positions, it's not like me and you, the retail traders, the way we just close an orders. If you want to close, you just close once. No, for them it's different. For them it's different because when they are closing their orders, it takes days, sometimes even weeks. When they want to change the market to the other direction, maybe when they want to start buying dollar or selling dollar, it's not like the way I can just close and decide to buy another pair. For them, it takes days, hours, days, even weeks for them, because remember they are trading in billions of dollars. So it's not just like a button they can just close it. So for them, it takes time. Once the orders are filled, then the market moves. So how do you know when that is happening? When anytime you see a market behaving like this, either when the market is coming up and then all of a sudden you see the market starts moving in a sideways market, that's the time now they are either stacking up or reducing their positions. So anything can happen from here. So if they start buying dollar, what will happen? Now euro will start pushing down. Okay, it start pushing down. So for me, I've decided based on those three things. So that's why I've decided to sell. Number one, I've sold because I've seen a double top. That's number one. Number two, I can see a bearish engulfing candle. This candle has engulfed how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost 6 candles. Okay. Number three, I've checked the COT data and I can see they are stacking up. It's like they're starting buying the positions that they're taking on dollar. They're adding more positions on dollar. So they're buying dollar. So that means when the dollar is being bought, then the other pairs will go down, the euros and the AUDs and all that. So, and the fourth thing, you look at the structure, the pattern. So the pattern that the market is forming. So those are the things that are making me sell Euro USD. And where will be my TP? My TP will be around, okay. For me, I don't like trading with a TP or a stop loss. I have them mentally, I already know. Because I don't want to limit myself, if I put my TP here, which as a beginner, you're supposed to be trading those two things, TP and stop loss. But for me, I don't like limiting myself. I just like going with the flow, because let's say from here the market decides to drop like 100, 200 pips. You see, I don't want to limit myself. Okay, I'm not saying that's how it's going to do, but I'm just saying what if it does that. Okay, and vice versa is also true. What if it decides to jump up 100, then too bad for me. So don't trade like the way I trade, but just use proper risk management. For me, I'm using proper risk management. How am I doing that? Based on the lot size that I'm putting, based on the account size. Okay, so let's see how this market will play out. So to recap, the market was going up. It has started slowing down. We have a pattern that has formed at resistance. So if I zoom out like that, okay, you'll be able to see the original trend was a downtrend. Okay, so then the market found a major support here, and then it started pushing up. Now where are we? We are at resistance. Look here what happened here previously. See, the market consolidated. It was going up from here, as you can see. It was going up, started consolidating like the way it is doing right now, and then from here, see, the market went down. It didn't come down in a straight line, but as you can see, so this was the clue. Let me zoom in and see the clue that it gave. Look, see, from here the market was going up. You see, it started consolidating, and then pop, structure was broken again, head and shoulder here. Then the market started going down. Okay, this is the right shoulder, this is the head, this is the left shoulder. The market broke this neckline. It was retested again here. You see, so if you come back now to our previous chart, so now we have a double top. It's still soon, we'll see, but I'm anticipating the market to move down again. We are trading below the 20 EMA. This is the neckline that has been broken. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'll keep you posted, and I'll keep on updating you guys. So I think Euro USD will sell big time, but we'll see. we'll go step by step. My major TP will be on the blue line because I can see there's demand zone here. There is an order block here that has not been tested here. So if we can, it will not come straight, but it will form some patterns here, whatever, and then we'll see. So that being said, guys, see you on the next video.